You are an entrepreneur. Yes, it could be a small business, it could be a large business, it could be something online, offline, a service industry business, or a product. Let me tell you something. Your success depends a lot on how you feel and how your health is. As entrepreneurs, we focus so much on finance management, people management, time management. But hey, I want to discuss health management with you. Entrepreneurial success depends so much on health. Hey, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an entrepreneur, a designer, a motivational speaker. I love sharing things which are beautiful and touch our hearts. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to share more with you. So we are talking about entrepreneurial success here and how health becomes a major point of making sure that our successes happen. Now, taking care of our health, I have experienced this firsthand that it can turn our business around 180 degrees. There was a time when I was so focused on my business that I completely neglected my health. Late nights, poor diet, and no exercise became the norm. And guess what? My productivity dropped and my stress levels skyrocketed. It was a wake-up call for me. I realized that to be at my best, I needed to take care of myself. So I started making some changes. I began with small steps like incorporating regular exercise into my routine. Even just a daily walk made a huge difference. Yoga and breathing, that is my pranayam, helped me greatly. It was difficult in the beginning, but a consistent 21 days without a break helped me to get my practice on track. And now, without doing my morning routine and my meditation, which I started with 5 minutes and I've moved on to 20 minutes, I feel so inadequate for the rest of the day. And hey, I'm a big foodie. So life was all about chaat, fried pakoras, junk food from plastic packets throughout the day. But when I started paying more attention to my diet, ensuring I was fueling my body with nutritious food, I could feel the change. I could handle my stress so much better. And it really helped me to get through my day with so much ease. And let me not forget about sleep. Listen, sleep is as important as eating good food. It's like good nutrition to your body. Getting a good night's rest becomes a priority. If I don't get a good night's sleep, I'm groggy and irritable all day, and that doesn't help. In fact, I even take an afternoon nap for about 40 minutes, and it works wonders for me. I feel so refreshed and ready for the second part of the day. And yes, if no one told you, good company is also very important to have a healthy relationship with yourself and your business. So, choose the people you work with very carefully. They don't have to be just good at their work, but they have to be basically good people, honest and trusting and fun to be with. In our social life also, it is important to surround ourselves with like-minded people. Good friends, people you can laugh with, people who support you. And yes, they don't gossip, they don't complain, they just have fun and they support you with whatever new ideas you have. I've realized that it is better to have less people in your life who connect with you and have a healthy conversation about various topics that affect our lives and our businesses. And it's always better to get rid of those negative, toxic people who are always, nah, it can't happen. No, but this is not possible. Always looking at what's not possible with a negative mindset. These habits transformed not only my health, but also my business. I have now more energy, I have better focus and a clearer mind to make strategic decisions. My stress levels have gone down, and trust me, I have become more resilient to handle the ups and downs of what the entrepreneurship entails. So, if you're an entrepreneur like me, let's remember that our health is our greatest asset. Take time to care for yourself. Exercise, eat well, and of course, get enough sleep. Trust me, it's worth it. By investing in your health, you are investing in the success of your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do comment, do subscribe, and do like. Take care of yourself. I believe in you. I love you. Stay healthy. Keep smiling. Till next time.